Birkhall, BF Environmental and Liquinex are pioneers in liquid and solid waste handling solutions. Property owners and F&B outlets need to separate trapped grease from kitchen wastewater as well as food waste. As current users often rely on using generically designed grease separators, the quality of these are often substandard, sometimes compounded by the problem of using inferior construction materials for building the grease separators. If an inefficiently designed grease separation system is used, grease may even leak into the public sewage systems. Over time, blockages and foul odors may occur and also pose a challenge in the upkeep and maintenance of the facility. Wastewater treatment costs in water reclamation plants also go up as a consequence. Segregating food waste and proper disposal to either bin centres or on-site food treatment facilities has also traditionally been a manual affair. This has resulted in various hygiene and health concerns. We are looking for a digital platform that will allow users to input various system parameters and assess different requirements, ultimately recommending to users the optimized product specifications as well as lifecycle costs for them to make better decisions with regards to their liquid and solid waste management systems, eventually promoting sustainability in the water environment industry.